Let me welcome you all once again. The main objective for calling this press briefing is to inform one and all that we are going to have the installation of Lions District Cabinet, which is supposed to be a golden jubilee year, the 50th year of our district, 317B, which comprises of nearly 110 Lions clubs spread across Goa and entire state of Goa, nearly 50 clubs and around 65 in Karnataka. So all these clubs will have their members coming in to Goa on 26th, that is Saturday. The district cabinet is arranged at Sungrace Hotel, Fonda at 4 p.m. onwards. So we are expecting nearly over 750 Lions and guests. We have past international director, and he is our area leader for our foundation, LCIF, Lions Club International Foundation, for the charity arm of the organization. He will be the chief guest, and another past international director, Lion JP Singh from Delhi, would be the installing officer. Besides him, we have other dignitaries all the way from our multiple, from Bangalore and elsewhere. They will be also represented in the installation function. Going further, let me give you a small brief about our district. As I already told you, we have nearly 110 Lions clubs, and we conduct various service activities. We all belong to Lions International, which has nearly 49,000 clubs plus, and it's an ever-growing fraternity, and spread across almost all the countries in the world, which you can say over 200 countries plus geographical areas. And each one of them are conducting service activities to the needy in their respective way. They are not common everywhere. So like in Goa, it may be one way, one service activity, somebody else, the other clubs worldwide will have different. But the focus areas are basically protecting the vision, the eyesight, and environment-related activities, diabetes awareness, pediatric cancer awareness, and also on hunger. Hunger is very, very important this thing for us. So taking all these 8 focus areas, different clubs are required to conduct service activities. Now, this year, another Indian Lion, AP Singh from Kolkata, is going to take over as the international president. So he was installed at Orlando, and I had the privilege as a governor. All the governors from all over the world, from different districts, had gathered at Orlando on 17th, and we were installed as the district governor. So I'm already installed as the district governor. Our period starts from July 1st of this year till the end of June the following year. So on 26th, we are going to install all our vice district governors and all the cabinet officers, which will be having different portfolios, and they are already guided to perform in their different roles. So this is about the installation. As we are expecting more than 750 guests, elaborate arrangements are made at the venue at Sungrace, and we hope to have a great celebration. We have achieved a lot of things at the very beginning of the year already on various fronts, like collecting donations or contributions to our foundation from different members. We are going to also have, the main focus area is going to be Mission 1.5. Mission 1.5 is nothing but increasing the membership. Currently we have 1.4 million members plus, and in the next 2 years, our goal of all the clubs all across the world is to increase it to 1.5 million. So with that thrust area, we are trying to increase the membership in various clubs. So that messages are already forwarded to most of the clubs, and they are all already in the pipeline. I mean, the people are already working towards it, and a very positive feedback has come from most of the clubs. So membership growth is our focus this time. Service area, as serving is our main motto. We are going to focus on vision-related activities, wherein we are going to have screening of children's eyes defects in school children with providing them special machines for screening machines, and that we are thinking of at least 50 to 75,000 students we are going to touch in Goa itself. And the same things, the numbers may be double in Karnataka, because we are already setting up around 6 vision centers across Karnataka and Goa, and that will be our main thrust area, one of them. The second one is on environment, and besides plantation and all the regular activities which have been doing all these years, we are going to have solar equipment, provision of solar energy products to the needy, maybe a family or institutes, schools, wherein they can utilize that solar products, and you know it's like a protecting the environment, and try and we heard about the Surya Ghar and all those projects of our Prime Minister. So that also we are trying to tie up, and we already spoken to the government agencies, and we have got very positive support that they will be coming up with it. Maybe in a month or two we will announce installation, the celebration to continue the whole year. We are planning various get-together functions wherein people will have various fellowship opportunities. Another important, as rightly identified, is the mobile service van. The hearing and hearing aid. We have a mobile vehicle in Bangalore attached to a hospital, which will be brought to Goa, Karnataka and various clubs, so they can conduct this hearing aid workshops, identify people for any defects in hearing, which we always ignore. So that kind of activity is also planned. So the vehicle will be come to maybe South Goa one week, and North Goa another week. Likewise in Karnataka side, Belgaum, Hubli and all other places. We'll have the timetable. So throughout the week, that will be the thrust area. So that's it from my side as of now. You can ask if. And very likely to go ahead is provision of computer-based training material to government schools in the primary section, wherein the computerized a computer will be given a big TV screen, wherein everything, the software like basic like Excel, Word, how to use computers at the younger age, that will be provided to them to the government school. So each club is going to be pushed to provide at least one such computer to the school, and that will be a lifetime warranty, wherein this software will be not automatically, every year regularly upgraded. So that will be provided to the schools. So that around 25 schools in Goa and 25 schools in Karnataka. So that is what will be our third major service project. Yes.